If you are wondering if we have bloatware on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the answer is unfortunately yes. There are a couple of different apps that are pre-installed for you right after the initial configuration. For example, we have a bunch of different games over here that, well, they are accessible pretty much immediately. It's not like they are actually installed, but this folder can be seen as bloatware, which we can actually disable if you go to settings over here. I believe we can do that if we go to apps over here. There we go. Here we have the games folder, and we can easily disable it. We can disable this option, organize all games into a folder. Besides that, you can also find this all document reader, which I guess it can be helpful for some people, but I don't think it is. There are probably some other stuff in here as well that you can consider to be bloatware. Like, for example, even right now it is still installing some of the apps. Like, for example, LinkedIn and TikTok and Booking.com, which and Copilot, which of course can be considered as bloatware. They are pretty much installed without your consent. In fact, if you go through initial configuration, you will see some of the apps that are going to be installed for you. And in this case, like in the case of these apps, you cannot even disagree to install them. You cannot really cancel that. They are going to be installed for you, and you just have to deal with it later on. There is also like Tem over here, which I just figured out, and there are also additional games that the phone tries to install for you during the initial configuration, and even some apps as well, which thankfully you can turn off. You can deactivate them. So I mean, not deactivate them, but just disagree to install them. So at least they will not be installed if you decide to do so. But other than that, there are definitely some of the apps that should have not been installed over here. But it is what it is. Thankfully, we can uninstall many of them. There is an option to do so. You just have to drag them into the uninstall option over here. And that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.